Hey John, check this out.
Wanted, rare species of rabbit sighted in the surrounding areas. Wow, Elmer, it doesn't take much to get you on board. $500 reward.
Think of what we could do with $500.
Not that much, but it wouldn't be the worst.
We just need some way of luring a rabbit.
What's that?
Carrot. Chocolate.
Easter eggs!
Easter. Because you think of the Easter bunny.
You can't seriously... Not just the Easter bunny. Everybody knows rabbits love egg-shaped chocolates. Do you think you could get some?
Well...
Because I know just the spot. John! Did you get the Easter egg?
It's July, Elmer. No one is selling them at the moment.
Forgot they don't grow in the cold. This will have to do then.
Is that a top hat?
A magician's top hat.
Because you think rabbits live in top hats? You are actually insane.
John!
You have got to be kidding me.
I've got this. Yay!
Do you guys have any chocolate?